Hey, my name's Bruce, and I'm coming to you today from the Weeder's Digest showroom and weedersdigest.com. I want to show you our new irrigation pump system. It's one that we've carried for about 18 years. We've made some refinements to it, and it's an opportunity to show you just some of those updates, or if you've never seen it before. So what we've set up here is a complete pump package. When we ship it to you, if you were to order it online or over the phone with us, we would ship it out in 2 or 3 boxes, depending upon which options you might add to it. And our goal is to have you up and running in, let's say, 15 to 30 minutes. The other thing that this complete setup, why I think it's so amazing and why I use it on my shoreline, is because it's a DIY setup. If you were to take this, go out and try to spec this out, you might have to go to the hardware store 3-4 times before you got all the right pieces. Or maybe you'd have to involve the trades, meaning that you might have to have an electrician. No need to, because we have it wired all set to go. You might have to have a plumber. No, this is all set up that you can do it. The other thing is you might have to have a landscaper. Now this is all set up so it can go right on the shoreline. So in my opinion, you can save a lot of money, time, effort, and do this all yourself. So I want to walk you through the various components. This is our basic package, the way it would come to you. I'm going to show you the additional add-ons that you can do to enhance it and do some other things with it. So it's set up with the filter. This is a 40-gallon filter. We also, if you operate a 2 horsepower, we also have a 80-gallon filter, which is talks about the capacity and the throughput. Our stand is set up so that you can adjust it, raise it, and lower it. I'll come back to a little bit of the benefits of that as we go. This is the check valve. This is the intake hose. So this is the hose that's going to be drawing the water from the lake. And then this is the pump. And I'm going to come back and walk through each of these components individually very quickly, just to give you a little more idea of decisions that you might be making along the way. So the filter, what's different about our new enhancements here is that you can raise and lower the filter only on the 40-gallon, but it's set up very lightweight so that it can be out in the water. And by being lightweight, it's not going to sink so far down into the muck that a lot of our customers are dealing with. When you have to do any cleaning, maintenance, or maybe at the end of the season, if you're in the northern climates and want to bring it in, all you do is just drag it in, because we call this kind of the sled style that has these components on it so that you can bring it right in. The other thing, everything disconnects with simple cam locks, so that's why you don't need to have a plumber involved, is because everything comes apart very quickly. And in our hose setup, we've gone to a clear hose. One of the reasons I really like that is because when you're priming your pump, we used to have an opaque hose. This clear hose, you can actually see that the water is coming through it. I really like that functionality to it. When it connects to the pump, again, it's the simple cam locks that allow you to just be able to connect real easy, no need for the plumber. And then the pump is set up on a base, so it stabilizes it on the shoreline. You come with some stakes so that you can keep it from getting jostled around if that's what you choose to do. And then another great beauty of our setup is that it comes fully corded. So you can choose a 110 or a 220 power hookup, and we actually cord it. So if you were to go out and try to do this on your own, oftentimes these pumps come without a cord on it. So we've got it fully powered up. It's a short cord, and you'll want to look at our information on our website because these do not run well when you run with long extension cords, so we don't recommend that. But this is a relatively short cord for that purpose. The other thing is that when you get to the filter, cleaning, people think of a filter and they're going to be concerned about the cleaning and the maintenance of the filter. This filter is what's inside here. It's wound up tight. To clean it, what I do is I let it dry out at the end of the season, and I basically pound this and I let the dirt, sediment, and silt fall out of it. You're not going to be concerned about it getting too clogged. The other thing is you can remove it, wash it, spray it, vacuum it, whatever you might want to do to clean this material. Or we actually have replaceable material that you can do that as well. Now, because we've made this very lightweight, in my case, in my home, I never worry about it tipping over. This is very stable. But if you ever would need it be an environment, say a river environment, or with a lot of wake surf boats that are out on shorelines these days if you're in a lake setting. We do include just a sandbag where you can fill it with sand, put it down here to hold it into place. But in using it for 18 years at numerous places, I've never been concerned about that. The other thing that we offer is a most commonly set up is a 4-way port. And so you can just crank this in, and then you have 4 different setups so that you can turn on each one individually. In my case, I typically am running 1 or 2 hoses, but there are times people use 4. There's plenty of power here, there's plenty of water, there's plenty of flow. The reason why I don't use 4 very often is not because of the pump, it's because of my concern of having to manage 4 different sprinkler settings around my yard. Otherwise, I have no concern about running 4. The other option that we have is this device with a ball valve on the top. So you spin it in, and then you have a nice valve to be able to kick out the 1.5-inch output on our discharge hose. And where I like that is for just managing my shoreline, cleaning my riprap. It sprays an amazing amount. I don't know that I know the exact, but I'd say it's about 100 feet of 1.5-inch heavy-duty water. And so one of the things that we really like to recommend, and a lot of people use as an insurance factor, is if there ever was a fire at a cabin that's far away from, say, city water or fire trucks that could get to them, it's a short-term potential fix. As long as you got electrical, you could be putting out, let's say, reducing a fire or retarding a fire if it were to come out. And the way that operates, again, is with our discharge hose, 1.5-inch, and the fire hose nozzle. So we've really thought about pretty much everything you could imagine to have a do-it-yourself pump package that does not require an electrician or a plumber or a landscaper. I can guarantee you that anybody can have this up and running in absolutely no time. So if you want to learn more, visit weedersdigest.com. Give us a call at 877-224-4899. Talk to one of our sales guys. Or at the same time, come by our showroom here where we've got everything set up for you. And we'd be glad to help you out. I'm absolutely certain you'd be thrilled with this product.